Hi, this is Karthik from Mechanical Department. Today my chemistry case study topic is air pollution from fossil fuels. The major types of pollutants. Air pollution is the presence of one or more chemicals in atmosphere in quantities and duration that causes harms to humans, other forms of life and materials. Primary pollutants. There are two types of pollutants that are primary and secondary pollutants. Chemicals released in atmosphere that mix vertically and horizontally and are dispersed and diluted in the troposphere are known as primary pollutants. Secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants that react with other basic components of life to form new pollutants. Next, primary and secondary pollutants. These are all known as primary and secondary pollutants. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. Secondary pollutants are ammonia and sulfate, sulfuric acid, ammonium nitrate, nitric acid, ozone. Photochemical smog or brown smog. Photochemical smog is a mixture of primary and secondary pollutants formed under the influence of sunlight. Primary pollutants involved has mostly MOX and volatile hydrocarbons sunlight to produce ozone, aldehydes, PANs and nitric acid. This is known as primary chemical smog. How the primary chemical smog is formed by using when the cars released NOCO and VOC, they react with atmosphere in the presence of sunlight and form photochemical smog. Chemicals react from chemical oxidants. N2 reacts with O2 gives rise to 2NO. 2NO gives rise to O2, 2 gives rise to 2NO2. Yellowish brown gas with a coking odor. Some of NO2 reacts with water vapor to produce nitric acid and nitric oxide with ultimately forms ozone. This reaction leads to the formation of ozone. Hydrocarbons plus oxygen plus NO2 gives rise to PANs. Industrial smog, grey smog. This is a grey color smog. Industrial smog consists mostly of sulfur dioxide, suspended droplets of sulfuric acid, and a variety of suspended solid particles and droplets that intimate from coal and heavy oil burning powder plants and factories. Industrial smog and chemical smog. These are the reactions in industrial smog and chemical smog. Carbon plus oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide. Sulfur plus oxygen gives rise to sulfur oxide. Sulfuric acid is also formed. H2SO4 is also formed. Na2SO4 is also formed. Factors that influence the formation of smog: local climate, topography, amount of industry, fuels used in the industry, heating and transportation. These are all the factors which influence the formation of photochemical smog. Thermal inversions. Warm air normally rises in the atmosphere in valley. A layer of dense cool air can become trapped below the layer of the warm air capped by the dense air layer. This prevents the air from ascending, keeping air pollutants trapped into the lower cool air. These events typically only occur for a few hours. With high pressure air masses dull and overly values, the thermal inversions can lastly for several days. Other highly polluted cities in the world. Mexico City, for example, when we talk about India, the New Delhi is the mostly highly polluted city. The factors of air pollution are human respiratory system. This is the most factor for the air pollution which affects the most due to air pollution. Nostril passages, hairs to filter out the pollutants. Sneezing and coughing occurs during that of air pollution. Effects of air pollution on human health: allergy infections, pregnant women and people with heart diseases, asthma or other respiratory diseases are mostly suffered to that of air pollution. Lung cancer, asthma, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, carbon monoxide, Suspended particulate matter are these are the types of diseases formed due to that of air pollution. Effects of air pollution on human health. There are several effects uh, on human health due to the formation of sulfuric acid, nitrogen oxide, VOC, and ozone. How many people die permanently? Example 60. Estimated annual death in USA related to outdoor of health pollution is 65,000 to 2 lakh, mostly due to that of expensive fine and ultra fine particular matter. Harmful effects of air pollution on materials. Fallout of soot and grit on building cars and air pollution break down the exterior paint on the cars, buildings and deorganize floor materials. Solution. We need to Clean Air Act 1970, 1977 and 1990. This laws requires the EPA to estimate national ambient air quantity standards. Suspended particular matter, sulfuric oxide, carbon monoxide, etc. Prevention method. How can US air pollution laws be improved? Pollutant prevention is best. Leaded gasoline outlawed lead in air was reduced by 98%. Requires stricter emission standards. How can you do? Carpool, massive transit, turn off lights by conserving water, electricity whenever possible. By following 4 hours principle. Refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle. Think, act, save by Karthik, Mechanical.